Hello guys, welcome to yet another topic where we are still on graphic presentation. Now this time around we are moving on by looking at how we can work with text. This is lesson number 3. Now the skills matrix for this lesson is that at the end you should be able to format characters. You should also be able to do formatting lists. You should also be able to interact with text, or either to insert and format the word art, even to insert pictures, creating and formatting text boxes. You should also be able to use proofing tools when you are working with the presentation. Now, as usual, for the software orientation in this one, it says that Microsoft PowerPoint Basic Text Format Tools, where you are most likely to use PowerPoint Basic Text Formatting Tools. These tools are found on the Home tab of the ribbon. If I open my PowerPoint, on the Home tab, I have the clipboard, the slides, the font, the paragraph, drawing, and editing. On the Home tab ribbon, that's where you can go in order to change the font attributes and so on. So you need to select where you want to do the changing, then you go and change it. For example, I want to change the font attribute from Impact to a different font altogether, then I'll have to use that. If you have made a mistake, you don't like it at all, you can always hit the undo button to retrieve the changes. Now let's move on by looking at the software orientation of the program. We are going to interact with the font sizing, the increase font size, the decrease font size, the clear formatting, and of course all those features that are available under your font panel. Nevertheless, we are going to work with alignment and the style smart art for us to be able to get or to be able to insert a certain feature in our document. Now, for example, we are making a cup of tea. To make a cup of tea, you can also illustrate that with picture graphics. So assuming this is our first step, what's the first step to make a cup of tea? Usually is you pour water into a pot. So let's illustrate that by getting an image of a pot to our document. There are a couple of ways in which you can insert a picture in your document. In this step, you can use the insert button, then you choose picture. Here is gonna take you to a picture directly where you're gonna choose a picture, the one that you want to insert. I'm gonna do it quickly. Then you choose a pic that you want to be inserted. Just like I said, you pour water into a pot. Yeah, so this is my picture. I'll choose it, then I will insert. I have attached these pictures in your folder. You need to download it so that you can use them. Here, after you have inserted a picture, you will see it will bring you the format tab. This is special for that picture. Here, that's where you can interact. If you want to change attributes for this picture, you can do it. Now these anchor points are there for you to maximize or to minimize your image. You can take it to the size that you want, but it should be presentable to what you are displaying. So this is how you can get a picture. You can insert a picture, or you can insert item in your PowerPoint presentation. Nevertheless, we have mentioned about smart art. So this is where you can convert your text to be as a smart object. In this case, you need to go to insert again and choose word art. For the word art, you choose an option to which it best suits you. It will give you those options for you to write now what you can have. So you can say first step. This is a normal text other than this. This is from an artwork. So this is an artwork, this is a normal text. You can later on interact with this by changing the font attributes. If the color is not matching to your suits, then you can do the changing according to you. Even the sizing, you can also do the sizing over there. You can either hit the sizing button or the decrease size button, and here you can change the font itself. So that's how you can interact with this program. I have attached the files with you. You're gonna need to download them so that you can access for the next exercise. Well, thanks for watching and bye for now.